Lesson 4, half steps, flats, and sharps. We're going to talk about three things: half steps, flats, and sharps. What a half step is when a note is to the right or left of another note. It have to be the first note, and you cannot skip a note. For example, we're going to use C to learn how to play half steps. Find C. And we're going to play a note that is a half step higher than C. This is C. And higher, remember higher is to the right. So you have to go this direction. So the first note higher than C, one half step higher, is this note, this black key. Because it is the first one to the right. And you don't look here to see which one is the first one, because you might miss it. You have to look here in this section, in this area. That's how you know. See, this one is part of C. This long white note is part of C. And then there's another one next to it, this shorter one right here. That's the one, the first one to the right. So C, one half step higher than C is this one. One more half step higher than this note is this one. One half step higher than this note is this one. See? Every time I'm playing a half step higher. See? One more half step higher. One 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 half step higher. Very good. Now we're going to play one half step lower. One half step lower than C is, find C first. Now play one half step lower. Lower is to the left, this direction. One half step lower of C is this one. See, I went to the left. Now one half step lower than that, I went to the left again. See, I did not skip a note. One half step lower. Very good. One half step lower. 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 See, nothing is in between these two notes, so I went here, from here to here. One half step lower. One half step lower. One half step lower. One half step lower. Very good. We're going to learn what is flats and sharps. The black notes all of the black notes are called flats or sharps. Which one is a flat or sharp depends on which white note you use to name the black notes. Okay? It depends on which white note you're using to name the black note. I'm going to give you an example. We're going to learn how to play a sharp or a flat. Sharps, you play that to the right, this direction. You always play it to going to the right. And if you have to play a sharp, it means that you play a sharp always mean that you play one note half step higher than another note. So if I am playing C sharp, the first thing I do is look for the letter that you heard me say, C. And because I said C sharp, sharp means that you play one half step higher than C. So I have to look for C, then play one half step higher than C. That is how you play C sharp. C sharp. Very easy. We're gonna try a different one. We're going to try to find F sharp. First we look for F. Now we have to sharp the F, meaning we have to play F one half step higher. So this is F. Play F one half step higher. That is F sharp. That is how you play sharps. So let's try some different ones. This is D. This is D sharp because it's one half step higher than D. Again, D, D sharp. F, F sharp. G, G sharp. A sharp. Very good. Now, also, a white note can be a sharp or a flat. Let me show you how. If I play E, and you can play E sharp. So I'm going to learn how to play E sharp and show you how a white note can be a sharp or a flat. So we're going to find E sharp. You find E first, and remember, you have to, if it says you have to play one half step higher to find the sharp. So E and one half step higher is this one. This can be called E sharp, even though it looks like F. Okay, so this is E, and this E sharp, because it is one half step higher than E. Now let's try another one. Let's try to find B sharp. Find B, and one half step higher is this one. See, it's a white note can be a sharp. This is B, and this can be B sharp. See, even though it looked like C, it can also be B sharp. It depends on the white note that you're naming it from. Now we're going to try to find flats. A flat is this direction to the left. Okay, so we're going to try to find C flat. Just like sharps, you had to play 1/2 step higher. This time you're going to play 1/2 step lower, which is lower is to the left. Remember, lower is left. So C, C flat. And just like the sharps, the white ones can be a flat. You see? We're going to try to find D flat. D, 1/2 step lower is this one. G flat, G, and this one. Okay? A flat, A, and flat, 1/2 step lower. B flat, and this one. See? This is B. That's B flat. Okay? E flat, flat, flat. See? Every time I say flat, it means to play 1/2 step lower. Flat, F flat. See? Even though this look like E, this can also be called F flat because we're using the white key F to name this one. So F, F flat, E flat, D flat. See? See, this is D, that's D flat. Very good.